Hello guys, today we're unboxing Grand Wave CX1 660 Vortex. This is a ride spin attack type. Here's the code. Here's Grand Wave. Let's cut the plastic. Oh, Grand Wave. This is his logo. Wait. It's called Grand. The main blade is braid. It has 3 contact points. Then the assist blade, it's called Slash. It has a lot of contact points. This is 660. Has 6 contact points and it's a short ratchet. This is Vortex. It's like the same of Cyclone. Instead, the teeth go reverse. And let's put together. That's Grand Wave. It looks very cool. Let's test launch it. 3, 2, 1, go.